Hello, sir. Okay, sir. Copy. Hello. Urgent meeting at the office now. Where's your phone?
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat. We're going to talk about the event that we will be holding at the 6th. The theme of our event is festival. So we have to make props as soon as possible. Because we only have a week left.
Okay, sir.
So, when are we going to meet the props? Today?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Okay, sir.
Meeting adjourned.
Picture perfect, styling to hold on to this new art, my world is drawn out in crayon. All the lives we come across, we shine a light to see our own. Remember back to every story told, who you were before the rush out carousel. There to seize the world with your own two eyes. So you made mistakes, and I was wide awake. It's a tidal wave, I once can lie. Become one in the starlight. Forget perfect endings. Let's stare and live for the days and days and days like a rubber. Words come alive in the story of our time. Let's all quit pretending. Let's stare and live for the days and days and days like a rubber band. Hit a wall, but ain't no shutting this door. We're gonna live, keep faith. We're gonna soar to a higher ground. Recharge, lay my arm. Remember back to every story told, who you were before the road shout carousel.